the new High Commissioner of the UK to Uganda, Her Excellency Lisa Chesney. She succeeds Kate Ere, who completed her tour of duty and returned home. As you may be aware, we established very cordial relations between the Kingdom of Uganda and the British High Commission, but also with the British government, because she represents the British government here, but also with the royal family of the United Kingdom and our royal family here. I'm sure you recall that the Duke of Edinburgh, His Royal Highness Prince Edward, was here in March, and we executed a memorandum of understanding with the Kingdom, between us and the Duke of Edinburgh Award, which focuses on skilling the youth, empowering the youth, mentoring the youth. And you must be aware that Sabasajja Kabaka Ronald Muwenda Mutebi II dedicated his entire reign to the youth. So the Duke of Edinburgh Award and the Kabaka's programs rhyme. And we felt that it would be very good to work with His Royal Highness to ensure that we equip with the youth with skills which are likely to prove very important for them as they grow up. So we also talked about many other issues, especially for developing the youth, the women, economic empowerment, and we shall continue working with the new British High Commissioner to ensure that these programs are carried through, to ensure that there is social and economic development in the country, like I do. But we've got this historic ties. We've got so many similar things. We drive on the left, and many aspects of the British culture can be witnessed in the country. So it is only good that we cooperate and work together for the betterment of the lives of the people of Uganda, the people of the Kingdom of Uganda, and Great Britain. So, Madam Ambassador, you are most welcome to the headquarters of the Kingdom, and we look forward to, more meetings and further collaborations. I don't know whether you want to say something to